want to create this kind of tag. We'll try to create this thing. இது create பண்ண முடியுமா? இது வந்து இந்த tag
டெக்ஸ்டா தான் வச்சேன்.
என்னாச்சு?
டெக்ஸ்டா தான் கிரியேட் பண்ணேன்.
Okay. No problem. We will create this as a tag. அப்ப இதெல்லாம் டெக்ஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்றீங்களா? இதெல்லாம் 151 CD இதெல்லாம் tag தானே. இதுல actually you have to put the BOD also.
Okay.
You have to include the BOD parameter also. Okay. அப்ப next வந்து இந்த type of tag create பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. Okay. I'll tell you how to do this thing. Okay. This is simple. Okay. Consider we have a terminal like this. Okay. Whether it is a disk valve, whether it is a diffuser, anything. Okay. I just want to make few parameters like let us assume this is the tag number.
Okay.
This is the airflow. Okay. And let us consider this as type category. It is a type category in the sense it is a terminal, whether it is a disk valve, whether it is a diffuser, anything. Okay. Appo oru 3 parameters create pannom. First one the tag number, flow rate, and this thing is the terminal type. Okay va? Create பண்றேன். We will make a new family annotation metric generic tag. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to categorize the family. So it's terminal tag, right?
Yes.
Terminal tag. Create label. I'm picking this one. Okay. I'm creating a shared parameter. Last time we have studied what is shared parameter. Okay, select. I'm going to make a new one, create. Okay, I'm going to make this for terminal type. Terminals. Okay, I'm going to create a new group name and I'm going to create tag name. Discipline, common type of parameter. What is the parameter? It is text because we want to enter a text. That's it. Okay. I'm going to add this one. Clear?
Okay.
So this will be the tag name. I'm going to edit this one. I'm going to duplicate this to mm. I'll make this Roman T. 2 mm. Roman S or T, whatever. Okay. Create this as transparent. So go to create. Use this option, line option, to make a box. Okay. Clear?
Clear.
And I'm going to divide this line. I'm going to create another label also. Tag name, then flow rate, airflow, right? There is a parameter, default parameter here, airflow. And I'm going to create a new parameter also. new. Say, I'm going to create this category. This is also text. First, I'm going to give a sample value. Get me? I'm going to save this family. If you want to make anything, like if you want to make any fillet, just you can do it. Just one. Okay, I'm going to save it. Give me a second. Hello? Hello? Osman, എന്നെ കുറച്ച് വിളിച്ചാൽ മതിയോ? എന്നെ ഒരു പരിപാടിയിലാണ്. ഞാനേ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇവിടെ വൈകിട്ട് നോക്കണ്ടായിരുന്നു, നേരെ കിട്ടില്ല. മനസ്സിലായി. ഞാൻ കുറച്ചുകൂടി വിളിക്കാൻ തിരിച്ചു നിങ്ങളെ. ഹലോ. സേവ് പண்றேன். Terminal. So this I'm going to கிடையாது. I'm going to place a diffuser. Okay, like 150, so like 100%. Okay, இதோட tag பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா?
Okay. I'm just selecting this diffuser. These are the default parameters in this particular family, right? Okay. But this is நம்ம create பண்ண tag. இதுல in the tag name, in the category, இதெல்லாமே புது, I mean, these are the parameters we have created just now. These parameters will not be in this particular family, right? Okay. But in the same parameter, இதுக்கு வரும்னா, there are two ways. Either you can edit this family and just you can bring those parameters to this family. Just pick shared parameter, select like category. The instance பண்ணலாம். Tag name and the instance. Okay. Okay, I'm going to load into the project. Select the diffuser. There are two parameters here. Okay, and the two parameters in here. So category, I'm giving it as 1. Tag name, I'm giving it as like SCD. Supply chain diffuser 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now I'm going to tag this family. Tag
tags, load family, load that particular tag to okay. So another question in the 150 konjam alignment மாறி இருக்கு. We can edit this thing. Just edit the family and select the flow and take the boundary up to this. Okay. It's the boundary up until this. Okay. Now the problem will be solved. All right. The letter per second question. Expand a little bit also. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Like this, you can read this one. Okay. You can either இப்போ இதுல இது ஒண்ணுமே கொடுக்கல. இதெல்லாம் blank இருக்கு. அதனால தான் இப்படி வருது. Okay.
Okay.
But even you can text here also. There are two ways. You can double click this one and you can directly make the text here. No problem.
Okay.
Or else you can select this family and you can write parameters. Okay.
Okay.
To get the arrow, edit type, you can fix you can select the arrow head from this to any that. Okay. In the tag, okay then.
Okay.
In the Madri, you can create tags for any family. Like you want to create for, for AHU, FCU, mechanical equipments, you can create it.
Okay.
So just try this. You want to try this one. Okay. Also, idhula vandu BOD kodukala. Just told you before. Just provide the BOD also.
Okay.
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 Okay. Actually, I will just load equipment. This is an equipment. Okay. This is an FCU.
Okay.
There are two ways to give the flow rates to ducts or pipe or whatever. Okay. But I will tell you. So consider this is the design drawing. Okay. We have an FCU here. Idoda capacity வந்து tag name வந்து FCU01. இதோட capacity வந்து 5 TR. இதோட flow rate வந்து ஒரு 2000 CFM. இதுதான் இதோட capacity. Just imagine.
Okay.
Okay. We have a duct here and we have the diffuser here. We have the supply diffuser. I'm just going to copy it. You can select the multiple, you can copy it multiple times. And I'm just going to connect it. Consider this is somewhere here. This is somewhere here. No problem. Okay. And each diffuser is serving like 500 CFM. Okay.
Okay.
500, 500, 500. Okay. So just consider that the airflow is 2000. Okay. This is 500. This one the 1500, right?
Yes.
Okay. $1,500. Branch okay. Okay. So branches, every branch will be 500, right?
Okay.
We are going to model this family.
Okay.
I mean, we are going to model this route, this thing. Okay. So we have an FCU. So I'm going to just load an FCU. So this is consider this is our FCU. I just want to change the okay. So I'm going to create an FCU. First categorize it, mechanical equipment, and this is our FCU. 100 by 350. So this is the supply side. Get me? This is the supply side, and this is the return side. I'm not going to change the size and everything for this connector. Okay. We have to do some kind of default parameters in while we're creating an FCU. If we are assigning the flow into the FCU. So these are the default parameters here. Okay, I will delete this one also. I will create a new one. Okay. I'm going to create a new parameter for airflow. Airflow. The last time this one, airflow discipline, HVAC, type of parameter, airflow. Sorry, HVAC, type of parameter on the airflow. Okay, type parameter. Okay, actually, I want to give it in CFM, so we can change the unit. Unit na project units. UN the shortkey. UN take project units. Discipline common one the HVAC change பண்ணுங்க. இதில் வந்து airflow இருக்கு. Airflowல units the liter per second. Change பண்ணுங்க. இது வந்து cubic feet per minute. Okay, units in the CFM, right? Okay. Okay. So while I'm picking this connector or while I'm checking this thing, family types, it is changed to CFM. Okay. So I'm going to give 2000 CFM for this unit, 1000 CFM. We are getting like the decimal places here. We can ignore these decimal places. In order to do that, just take project units, HVAC. The decimal places around பண்ணுங்க 0 decimal places. Okay. இனிமேல் அது வராது. Oh, sorry. Naturally. What happened? Okay, I will check it. I don't know what happened. Okay, I will check it and tell you. Okay, just for take this value and select the connector. Okay, and in mechanical category, there is an option called flow parameter called flow configuration. Make it as preset. By default, it will be calculated. So you should have to change it to preset option. Okay, flow direction out. It is supplying. Right, flow direction is out. System classification supply air. Okay, flow rate is given as flow rate. We have to interlink the parameter with the parameter which is created just before. Okay, 2000 CFM. Right.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to give the pressure drop, you can also give the pressure drop, but it is for design purpose. Right now, we are not going to design in this Revit. We are going to just do the modeling and the annotation side. That's it, right? Apply it. I'm going to save it. Okay. and I'm going to load into this project. Mechanical equipment, load family, FCU. All right. So I'm just going to place it. By selecting the parameter, let's go to retype. You can find the, this is not the one, I think so. Okay, no problem. That's right. So I'm going to change the units. Right now, the airflow is liter per second in this project. I'm going to change it. If you want to make 2 CFM, change the unit here and unit symbol, check this one. Okay, so our airflow rate is 2000 CFM, right? After that, I'm going to place the air terminals. Okay. I'm going to duplicate it. 01. Okay, we have 4 diffusers here. If you don't want this airflow arrows, you can just uncheck this one. Okay. Going to provide an offset here. I'm going to provide 3500. Okay, the FC is gone. Just change the view rates, right? Select it. I'm going to give this as like 2.9 minutes. Okay. And the route, I'm just going to create routing preferences for this thing. Preferences. This is a fresh template, so no families there. Hey, Vijay, are you confused? Hope you're getting it, right?
Confused.
Just I'll repeat it. Huh? The Duct family and the nice. So I'm going to load this thing. Okay. I'm just selecting this duct. Okay. Now check the properties. In mechanical flow, the flow rate is automatically the meeting will end right now. I will provide a new link. Okay. See, I'm just selecting this duct. The flow rate is automatically shown here because it is given the flow rate. Sorry, flow rate. What it is given in, but it is given for FCU. It is shown in this duct. It's 2000 CFM. Okay. So we have already assigned this terminal flow rate as 500 CFM, right? I've just given this as 500 CFM. And I'm going to give a branch for this one. Creating duct 350 by 250. This time I'm going to give a branch. Align this. Now the duct center line is shown here. If you want to hide it, go to VG, go to duct, expand duct option, uncheck the center line option. Okay. I'm going to connect into duct. Okay. I can change this to square branch. So it will be like this. Okay. So while I'm selecting this duct will be shown as 500 CFM, right? And after this diffuser, it is shown as 1500 CFM. So automatically, this reduction will be taken.
Okay.
Okay. So select this one. I'm connecting this branch. So what happened? It will be like 1000 CFM. Correct. 500 500 finally it is coming as 1000. Okay. Connect into this. Align tool. See, I'm just giving as every branch is a rigid connection. Okay. Flux portalum, this will happen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Just try with flexible connection also. This one. This one. Okay. I just want to tag this one. I just want to tag this whole area. Okay. Let me tag one more. Just I'm going to make a plan for this one. These are my plan. Okay. Okay. The meet will end right now. I will provide a new link. Okay.
Okay.